Home Swap Challenge.
We're in front of the
yeah,
thing.
let's go.
Hello, it's me, Melody. I'm here with Jessica's phone. We're gonna go to Dillard's because no one judges me at Dillard's. Ooh, I'm in the mood. Ooh, strut.
I'm heading into H&M. I'm gonna go upstairs.
Hello. Let's see here. I'm gonna go to an awkward corner and talk. Ooh, this
This is a squishy store. I just want to squish all of them, but like I don't own any squishies because like they're kind of a waste of money, but they're fun to squish. It's like a stress reliever, but it's way overpriced. This store smells good. So right now it is, I don't know what time it is. About to meet up with Melody.
awkward. I hate this. How do people vlog? Ooh, makeup. Okay, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. I just went into a really big store and found a red corner. So yeah, we're doing the phone swap challenge. Ooh, I had to stay like this or else it's weird. Let's go hide in the coats, y'all. Yeah. Okay. So Jessica has my phone and she's going to like Claire's or something because she has a gift card. And have her phone and I'm vlogging. So that's what this is. But I'm probably gonna edit like all of this. I don't know where to go. This is weird. I hate vlogging in public. I understand. Okay, we're gonna go this way because I'm just walking around the thing. Okay, where do we go? Where's somewhere? She doesn't want to go. Maybe I'll go to Hot Topic. I don't know. Guys, I'll be back.
Look at my handy dandy thing. I need to get this for Melody for Christmas. I need to.
Santa's here. Lily's here.
These are some nice products.
Oh my gosh. Well, see, I was in the refrigerator. Like, oh my God. Does that work for you?
I love this store. So nice.
At Forever 21, they have leggings for $4. Like nice black leggings. I'm going to Dick's even though we have like 10 minutes left because that's an easy place. No, it is not. Okay, go. I'm gonna go in the corner before you buy.
Okay, so I just left Dick's. I didn't really buy anything. I don't know where I'm going to go now, but yeah. Melody is somewhere else in the mall. Don't know where, don't know if we're going to bump into each other. Let's find out. Okay, well, I'm leaving that store. And I'm supposed to meet up with Melody at the Santa place where, like, since it's Christmas season, there's this thing where, like, little kids sit on Santa's lap. We're gonna meet up there. So yeah. And I have to meet up there by like 3:45, and right now it's 3:40, so yeah. Still looking for her? Okay, let's go. I don't really see her yet. Ah, there she is. Hi! Hi!
Oh, we're
There she
back!
is.
I literally like died. Okay guys, so I'm looking for Jessica. Yeah, I can't find her. We were gonna meet at the Santa place, and I just went to American Eagle Outfitters. Wait. Hi! Oh, we're back! I literally like died.
Hi, this is us.
Hi.
Hi, this is us.
Hi. I don't know why, I just couldn't, it was hard. I don't know why, I just couldn't, it was hard.
I know, I got lost a little bit, but then I found it.
Cause I was gonna,
I know, I got lost a little bit, but then I found it. I like turned the wrong way. Yes.
she did a very good job. I feel like everyone was looking at me, because I was recording like this, so like people wouldn't think it. But then I said something.
I was like recording like this and
I
talking
said something,
quietly.
and this little girl looked at me, and then her mom like looked at my phone, and I was like, okay, bye. And then I like really walked really quickly, just like run away. I hate it. How do you vlog in public?
I don't know, I just did this and I was like, okay guys, so
I was just like this the whole entire time. My footage is probably really boring. You probably can't hear me, but like, okay, we're gonna want leggings for $4.
Oh.
Well, they're like nice leggings too.
That's all for the phone swap challenge, but we're not ending here. We're gonna record when we go home, so
Yeah.
okay, size.
I'm not even in the frame.
Okay, so guys, we're going to do a haul. I bought nail polish.
Just water-based peel off.
Yes. I'm doing the haul. I got this. I got this. It's basically like flavored chapstick. Here. Got 4. It's because like if you get 4, then they're free. So, and then I got this from a candy store. It's like candy goo. I know it sounds gross, but it's good. And then I got I'm doing my haul. Then I got this. It's like a little makeup kit.
Really
You
cute.
open it, and then it's like that. And I also got this from Claire's. Ow, I
much
squished my
was it?
fingers. It was like 12 something. It was
price.
like, because I love hockey. I love these drinks, and it says melon, so I'm gonna be drinking melon.
So it's just like paranoid the whole entire time. I thought I didn't have enough money. So if y'all are female and y'all like leggings, go to Forever 21 like now. Well, actually no, this is gonna be a very long time away. $3.90 leggings, boy. But and they had a ton of them. So I just got some basic black leggings. And then that was like the only thing I bought. That and a bunch of food. And then oh my god, it literally just smells like Pepsi. And then Jay decided she was gonna love me. Well, I kind of like paid her back to go to Starbucks and stuff, but like it's fine.
I bought her that.
Okay,
And then she
so
bought me a Starbucks.
last year we were at the mall and I saw this Hamilton calendar and I was like, girl, I'm gonna need that. But I didn't have enough money to get it at the time, and like none of us did. So I was like, I'm gonna hide it and I'm gonna make my mom come back whenever my mom picks me up, and we're gonna go back and get it. So we drove back there and we got it. And so I've had my Hamilton calendar in like the same spot. I love where it is. Like it just feels
We ain't ever getting older. We ain't ever getting older.
You look as good as the day I met you. I forget